Nigerian army set out as python to eliminate Nnamdi Kanu's life. Abia court reveals, tells Nigerians the Nigerian army are one of the most dubious set of people who are working and hiding under a disguise that they are doing something for the nation. But clearly, honestly speaking, they are doing nothing for Nigerians. Rather, they are carrying out their own activities and, using it as an opportunity to carry out evil plan. The judge in Abia court who awarded Nnamdi Kanu a 1 billion naira, asking the Nigerian government to pay him, of which the Nigerian government has said they are going to study the outcome of the very statement. Said, with regards to this matter, has said there is no need for anybody to go and contest it. Again, they've started their Operation Python, Operation Dance, Operation this, Operation that. But again, Nigerians are aware, these people, to a large extent, many of them, all they want to do is to just destroy lives. Okay, they set out, and the purpose was to eliminate Nnamdi Kanu. So why are they still after Nnamdi Kanu as though he has committed an offense? This clearly states to every one of us that Nnamdi Kanu has committed no crime. Let's get all the details. The Abia State High Court has accused the Nigerian army of attempting to terminate the life of Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB. Justice Benson Aye had held that the Nigerian army set out as pythons to terminate Nnamdi Kanu's life. It was a deceit and a ploy to destroy and to ensure that they eliminate him because of what he believes or stands for. Recall that the Nigerian army had in 2017 invaded Kanu's residence in Abia State. This was later this was after Justice Binta of the Abuja High Court granted Nnamdi Kanu bail in the same year. Then Nigerian army used a deceitful ploy to say they are having Operation Python Dance, of which it was aimed at Nnamdi Kanu. Following the invasion of Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB's home, he had to flee to Europe for security. But the IPOB leader, through his special counsel, Aloy Jemako, has filed a fundamental human rights suit against the federal government of Nigeria. Among other things sought, Kanu prayed the court to declare the invasion of his residence by the Nigerian government as illegal and infringement of his fundamental human rights. There was still a court case ongoing. However, Nigerian government did not pay heed or listen. Ruling on the suit, the judge described the action of the Nigerian army as notorious. Hence, the Nigerian government should tender an apology to Nnamdi Kanu. The judge ruling was made public on Friday in Kanu's special counsel via his Twitter, where he told Nigerians that Nigerian government is to pay Nnamdi Kanu 1 billion naira. To that case, the Attorney General has since said they will study the matter as the Nigerian army has been indicted in Nnamdi Kanu's case. The judge ruling made it public on Friday that Nnamdi Kanu's right was infringed against, and Nigerian government needs to rise up and do the right thing by the people. It is in the view of this court that the army set out as python to terminate the life of Nnamdi Kanu. The military invasion of his home in the military invasion of his home is to turn a blind eye and to carry out an evil despite court case going on. This must not be condoned. So this is what is going on. We have seen now that Nnamdi Kanu, yeah, has been Nnamdi Kanu has been, infringed upon. Okay, they've gone on and they want to ensure that they bring him down or do whatever. But the truth of the matter is, Nnamdi Kanu did not commit any offense. Nigerian government wanting to, eliminate him or do whatever went on and they started their Operation Python Dance, and the Python Dance was aimed at, bringing him down. The Python Dance was aimed at ensuring that, he does not see the light of day. This was the sole reason why he went to, he had to travel. And guess what Nigerian government said? He ran. No, there was no running there. He did not run. What happened was he had to secure his life. Now, who they alive, now the judge case, he had to secure his life. If he had not done that, If he had not gone, probably there'll be no Kanu today. He had to run. So he had to run for his life, and that's why he went to Europe. Thanks be to God, he had, droit national. So he had the British citizenship, and for which he went to stay in Europe until I don't know exactly what took him to Kenya. Remember that the North has already put a 1 billion naira bounty on his head. Whoever is able to get Nnamdi Kanu. For the very month that he put it was when Nnamdi Kanu, was found in Kenya and extradited to Nigeria. How he got there and what he was told and whatever he was doing in Kenya is still a mystery. It's still a mystery. But the judge at the Abia court looked at the whole issue surrounding Nnamdi Kanu's case and said, what has happened to Nnamdi Kanu is not acceptable. What they've done is not right. Nnamdi Kanu did not commit an offense, and as such, he shouldn't be treated like a common criminal. For standing up for what is right, for standing up for justice, and as such, it should not be allowed. Those things should not be allowed to continue. And it was the judge that made a statement and said, Nnamdi Kanu, should be compensated and apologized to. So when the Nigerian army tell that they are doing Operation Python, Operation Down, Operation Rattle, they want to rattle. It's aimed at taking out the lives of civilians. And I wonder who these their generals are that carry out these wicked plans on civilians. They will say they want to go and raid young boys and all that. If you go abroad, there are a lot of recreational and other activities that they use or put in place to ensure that children who are being derailed, they engage them meaningfully and dutifully so that their lives, okay, can be better off. But in Nigeria, do we have anything for such? Do we have any such thing for children who may not potentially have anyone looking after them? I beg your pardon, the answer is no. We have a government that there are no system in place, nothing to care for the citizens. Yet they want Nigerians to just, smile at them and pretend that all is well. All is not well. I repeat, all is not well. So the case of Nnamdi Kanu and all these things that are going on is clearly showing to every one of us that the Nigerian government themselves are the crook. The people they are calling criminals are not the criminal. They themselves are the real criminals. They themselves are the real criminals. Then they use their position to say somebody has committed an offense. Leave us a comment. We would love to hear from you. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. God bless you. Have a lovely and a fantastic day. Bye for now. Bye.